Where on earth are they going now? Looks like the kitchen. I'm so cool, I prepared their food already. I bet they'll next come running in here and ask me to read them a story. I'm so great.
Wait for me too! Hey guys!
Honey, I'm home. Uh-oh, the sun is out. Are you still in the house? Was there a hurricane?
Ah, honey, we were just about to play the game Tidy Up the Mess, and you came home.
Okay, who wrapped Mutlu up like that?
He was sick, and we cured him, Mom. I hope we still have time to take off my bandages, Mom.